Yeah, what's up guys? In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to get this exact transition here on screen. I'm also gonna show you how to make your own transitions. So I actually made a free preset for you guys. You can just import it and then I'm gonna show you how to apply it right now. So you go, let's say the clip, you have these clips here and you want to have the transition between them. So at first you want to go 5 frames to the left, then cut the clip. Then go here to the middle and then go from here 5-10 frames and then cut it. And then, as I said before, I've made a free preset for you guys. Actually, I've made 2 free presets. And so after importing, by the way, you need Sapphire to import them. After importing, you go to the effects panel and then look for Vari 8 tutorial transition part 1 and part 2. Should come up here. And yeah, you want to drag the first one on this part and the second one on this part. And yeah, then you're literally done. Then you have this exact transition. But now I'm going to show you how to actually change it a bit. So if you want to have a transition that goes, for example, down, then you want to open this Blow-Mo Curves effect thingy, and you go to the beginning, go to Shift Y, and then you want to keyframe it from 1 on the first frame, and then go to the last frame, and then go to, let's say, 200. And as you can see, actually it goes up. You want to go to the second clip, and then you want to go to Blow-Mo Curves here again. You want to go to Shift Y, keyframe it to from 200, and then go 1, 2, 3 frames, and then keyframe it to 0 again. And yeah, as you can see, you now have a really clean transition that goes up, and you can obviously play around with the Shift X and all the other values. Yeah, so basically you can create your own nice transitions with this, and yeah, there's not really much more to say. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. I would also really appreciate it if you would join my Discord server and follow my Twitter account. Link to both is in the description, and if you want to get all the presets that I use in my own highlight videos, then you should definitely check out my editing pack. The link to that is also in the description, and with that being said, see you in the next one.